Hey, Glamma Tony's kitchen, and I'm in the kitchen frying some half-ripe tomatoes. And boy, they're gonna be good. I fry them in olive oil, reserve extra virgin. This is some good olive oil here. I season them with this red hot stinging honey garlic and just regular garlic powder. And I use some Toni'S Cajun season and just some plain old white salt. And let them fry here. Hear that sizzle? That sizzle, hey, you know you're in there doing your thing. You're doing your thing, you're doing your thing. And I used this cornmeal here, easy bake. I've got it in a plastic container. I keep all my stuff in a container like this. Sugar, Kool-Aid, cornmeal and stuff in here. Rices and stuff in there. And this got seasonings over here. I don't know if you guys ever seen this before. This is some Black Jewel popcorn. Oh, excellent, excellent. And I don't know if you ever saw this before. Wendy's chili without beans. I try a little stuff every now and then, but these tomatoes are to die for. They're homegrown. This is some pineapple fried rice. I'm going to have that too. And these tomatoes are homegrown. The lady out there, Miss Kathy, and she had even had some peppers. So, this is my candy bowl. Okay, well, get rid of this cornmeal. I don't need it anymore. I'm going to put that in and wash that. Okay, we're out. We're letting these tomatoes fry. Let me see. Oh, look at that. I'm flipping them over. Look at that one. See that? That's when you know you're cooking. You know what you're doing. Oh. I had to lay the phone down to get this one over. See there? That's when you know what you're doing. Now what I do to mine is, I sprinkle just a little bit of sugar. I got some little sugar in this little jar right here that I keep with a lid on it. But I'll put just a little sugar on it. Ice cream came in that, what was it called? It's called gelato. See there? Gelato. Oh, and that's the best ice cream you ever want to eat. I'll sprinkle just a little bit of sugar over these, just to bring out that sweetness. And that's all you do. That's all you do. And they're ready. Okay. We're out of Tony's kitchen. Glamma Tony's kitchen. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.